Welcome back, my divas! I'm your DNA Diva Sally. Today we're doing a very special experiment to show you which oil in the market is worth a space in your pantry. We have 5 participants: avocado oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, lard oil, which is worth it. To begin with, I have our production team did a street tasting test to see what you guys like the most. Let's see how it goes.
Lard. I would say I like the coconut oil the most because I felt like it had the most flavor and it was the more sweet one.
I like more coconut, the taste, the vegetable.
I like the lard and I like the olive oil. Better flavor on the two. I didn't taste as much flavor on the other 3, but I like the flavor in the lard and the olive oil.
My favorite is coconut. The savor is delicious, yes. Different in olive oil, much, right. Yeah.
So, looks like the winners are them. Other than tasting, are they actually the most healthy oil after all? So today, actually, we're doing the emulsification experiment, mimicking bile from digestion system with the detergent. And the most milky one is the winner. Olive oil. Now let me mix them. Next one, I have grapeseed oil. Next, avocado oil. Coconut oil. Pretty color. Final candidate, lard oil. It seems the heaviest. So here is the winner, lard. Take a deep look at the lard. It mucifies the most, meaning we can digest them very easy. Let's do one more test to see who is the ultimate winner. So finally, we come to the last experiment of today's content. We're gonna test smoking point of the oil. We're gonna use the thermometer to test the smoking point at the highest degree will be tonight's winner. Let's find out which one will be the winner. Let's go. Olive oil. Coconut oil. Lard oil. Grapeseed oil. Avocado oil. So, the winner of the high temperature cooking oil is...
Sally, I would want to know, why do you exclude the canola oil this time?
There's a say of industrial oil for canola oil because they are very mass-produced. Their price is lower and they're often used in a lot of industrial as biodiesel lubricants. They use in cosmetics, they use plastics, and they're also good to use in cooking because their smoke point is quite high. However, because of the process of them, these type of oil actually be refined, bleached, and deodorized. And because of the processing, it actually enhances the omega-6 fatty acids. And omega-6 fatty acid, in research, it's directly linked to inflammation reaction of human body. Any of the plant-based oil that is heat processing, overput processing, they usually are high in omega-6. For example, sunflower seed, soybean, any type of plant that is not cold pressed, which mostly will have more omega fatty acids.
Would you recommend some better alternatives for the oil?
So cold pressed oil are a very, very good choice. Olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, they're all like well known in the health industry. Grapeseed oil, radish seed oil, or the best flaxseed oil, they're all better cold pressed plant-based oils that are widely available in the supermarket. So tallow, butter, those are the best. So The winner of the high temperature cooking oil is... Ta-da! Avocado oil. We have the winner for digestion and taste of lard. And we have the highest point of smoking point, so good for fried food, is avocado. Myself, I use all of these oil actually. I found that avocado oil, grapeseed oil, even olive oil has very strong taste when it's cooking. And coconut oil goes well with seafood. Lard goes well with everything. What do you like the most? Let me know your answer of which oil do you think has the most calorie. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Till next time. Bye, Divas. Bye.